Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will see our exercise 2.1 in this video. So here in 2.1, all problems are word problems. There are 8 problems are there. We will see now. The first one, in Jagananna Gorumudda MDM scheme, each student got 3 by 20 kg rice per day. Find the weight of the recipe required for 60 students in a class per day. Okay. So here they gave the quantity of rice for each students. Right. Quantity of rice for each students. That means for one student they gave. So whenever we know the less, here they gave the quantity for one student, right? So we have to find out for 60 students. For 60 students. So here they gave quantity for one student and we have to calculate for 60 students. So here less is given, we have to find out more. When less is given, we will find out more. We will do multiplication. Okay. So we'll write the steps. First, given quantity of rice for each student. So how much? It is 3 by 20 kg. 3 by 20 kgs. Next, quantity of rice for 60 students. So into we have to do. So 60 into 3 by 20. So 60 into 3 by 20. So here 0 get cancelled, 2 1s, 2 3s. So 3 into 3, that is 9 kgs. So what is the quantity of rice for 60 students per day? It is 9 kgs. You can write another step. Quantity of rice for 60 students per day is equal to 9 kgs. Okay. And here in our next problem, so in our second one, what is a perimeter of an equilateral triangle if each side of a triangle is 5 3 by 10 centimeters? So you know this is a triangle with 3 sides. Okay, the geometrical figure with 3 sides is called a triangle. So equilateral triangle means all the 3 sides are same. That means if this is 2, this will also be 2. Okay, all the 3 sides are equal. So here, what is the perimeter of this triangle? 5 3 by 11. Perimeter means adding all the sides. Okay, all the sides are equal now. Let it be A. So A plus A. So that is 3A. Okay. So we write the step. So let A be the side of equilateral triangle. Now perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3a. So here in the problem, what is the side of the equilateral triangle? Given side of equilateral triangle. A is equal to how much they give? 5, 3 by 10. So here A is equal to 5, 3 by 10. So perimeter, what is the formula? 3A. So perimeter is equal to 3A. That is 3 into 5, 3 by 10. First we have to convert this into improper fraction. So 5, 3 by 10. So in the denominator 10. So 10 into 5 plus 3. 10 5s are 50 plus 3 by 10. So that is 53 by 10. So 3 into 5, 3 by 10 becomes 3 into 53 by 10. So 3 into 53 by 10. So after multiplication, so now 53 means 50 plus 3, right? So 5 3s are 15. So 50 3s are 150. Next 3 3s are 9. So what is this value? 159 by 10. Okay. So what is the perimeter here? 159 by 10. Or otherwise, you can write as a mixed fraction also. Okay. $150. We have to divide 159 with 10. So first 10 ones are 10. Next 10 5s are 50. So the remainder will be 9. So write quotient first and remainder by dividend. So 15 9 by 10. Okay. So here they gave centimeters, right? So we have to write units also every time, centimeter. So in this way we can calculate the perimeter of triangle, equilateral triangle. So third problem, Surya can walk 18 by 5 kilometers in an hour. How much distance can he walk in 2.5 hours? Okay, in 1 hour he walks 18 by 5 kilometers. Here writing the steps is more important. Okay, so distance traveled by or walked by. Okay, so now travel here, distance walked by Surya in 1 hour is equal to how much he is walking? 18 by 5 kilometers. Now what we have to find out? Distance walked by Surya in 2.5 hours. Right? So if 1 pen is 2 rupees, then what is the cost of 2 pens? 2 into 4, right? So less is given, we will have to find out more. So then we have to multiply. So this 2.5 into 18 by 5. So now what is 2.5? Denominator, right? So 2 into 2 plus 1. This is 4 plus 1 by 2. So that is 5 by 2. Okay. So now 2 1 by 2 into 18 by 5 is equal to, what's the value of 2 1 by 2? 5 by 2 into 18 by 5. So now this is 5 into 18 by 2 into 5. So now this 5 and 5 will get cancelled, 2 ones 2 nines, so 9 kilometers. So how much distance here Surya is walking? 9 kilometers. Okay, so therefore distance walked by Surya in 2.5 hours is equal to 9 kilometers. Okay, so this is our third problem. Here main things you have to keep in your brain is when less is given, we want to find out more, you have to do the multiplication. This is the main point. Okay, next fourth one, if the length and breadth of a rectangular garden are 27 by 2 meters and 15 by 2 meters respectively, then find the area of the garden. Okay, we have to find the area of the garden. So here one garden is there and that garden is in the shape of rectangle. So this is length and this is breadth. So what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth, L into B. So now here length, first we will write the steps. Length of garden, rectangular garden also you can write. Length of garden 27 by 2 meters. Next, breadth of garden. Breadth of garden 15 by 2 meters. Now we have to find out area. Area of rectangular garden is equal to L into B, is equal to A equal to L into B. So what is A here? 27 by 2 into what is B here? 15 by 2. So 27 into 15 by 2 into 2. So we cannot cancel 27 with 2 or 15 with 2, right? So simply multiply. So here 15 2s are 30. So then 15 20s are 300 and 15 7s are 105. So after adding this will become 405. Okay, in a simple way you can do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4. So this is 405 by 4. Okay, here centimeter into centimeter, right? Not sorry, meters. This is meters and this is meter. So meter into meter will become meter square or square meters, whatever we can write. Okay, you can keep like this or otherwise again you can convert as mixed fraction. Okay, 4 10s are 40, again 5s, 4 1s are 4 1. So write quotient first and next remainder by dividend, meter square. So therefore area is equal to 101 1 by 4 meter square. Okay, so our fifth problem, Gopal bought 3.5 kg of potatoes in the market. If he paid 84 rupees, then find the cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So till now in our 4 problems, here less quantities are given, we found more, right? So here more is given and we have to find out less. Okay, that means ఎక్కువ ఇచ్చారు, మనం తక్కువ కనుక్కోవాలి. So in that case we have to do division. Okay, we have to do division. So for example, the cost of 10 apples 50 rupees. What is the cost of 1 apple? Well, division only na, 5 by 10 5, so 5 rupees. Okay, So when more quantities is given and we have to find out less, in that case we will do the division. So here, how many kgs of potatoes Gopal bought? 3.5. Okay. So cost of 3.5 kgs of potatoes is equal to 84 rupees. Okay. So we want to find out the cost of 1 kg of potato. So cost of 1 kg of potato is equal to 84 by 3.5. That's it. 84. Okay. So or otherwise we can write like this: 84 divided by 3.5. Okay. So first, what is this 3.5? We have to convert into improper fraction. So 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 by 2. So that is 7 by 2. What is the value of 3 1 by 2? 7 by 2. Now we have to find out 84 divided by 3.5. So 84, 3.5 value 7 by 2. So in our review exercise we calculated this type of problems. 84 in the place of division into, then this fraction will reverse. That means we will write the reciprocal 2 by 7. So 84 into 2 by 7. So 12 sevens are 84, right? So 12. So 12 into 2, 24. So what is the cost of 1 kg potato? It is 24 rupees. Cost of 1 kg potato is 24 rupees. Okay. So sixth problem, a car travelled 225 kilometers in 4.5 hours with uniform speed. Find the distance travelled in 1 hour. Okay. Uniform speed means there is no change in speed. That means there is no change in up and downs. Okay. So the speed is equal. So here in 4.5 hours, what is the distance travelled? 225 kilometers. So we have to find out the distance travelled in 1 hour. So again more is given, we have to find out less. So we will do the division. Okay. So first we will write the steps. Distance traveled by car in 4.5 hours is equal to 225 kilometers. Okay. Next one, distance travelled by car in 1 hour. How we will get division now? Divided by 4.5. Okay. So first this 4.5 must be converted into fraction. So 2 into 4 plus 1. 2 4s are 8. So first starts from bottom to up. Here into and plus. You should be keep in your brain this. Okay. 2 4s are 8 and 8 plus 1 by 2. This is 9 by 2. So now 225 divided by 4 1 by 2 is equal to 225 divided by, in the place of 4 1 by 2 we will write 9 by 2. So 225 in the division place into, and now this will get reverse 2 by 9. So 225 into 2 by 9. Okay. We have to check whether this number will be divisible by 9 or not. In the 6th class you came to know the divisibility rules. Okay, if the sum of digits in a number is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 9. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. So it is divisible by 9. So 9 2s are 8. It is simple division only. Okay, 9 2s are 18 and 4 will be there and 5. So now 45. 9 5s are 45. So 5s. So 25 into 2. You know 2 table, right? So 2 2s are 4. 20 2s are 40. 5 2s are 10. So this is 50. Okay? Are you getting my point? So you have to able do the multiplication in an easy way. Okay? So 50. What is this 50? Distance travelled by car in 1 hour. So it is kilometers. So therefore distance travelled in 1 hour here by car is equal to 50 kilometers. Okay. So this is our sixth one. So here mixed fraction is there, no? So take that mixed fraction 4 by 5 and denominator 5 starts with denominator 5 first into and then plus 5 4s are 20 plus 4 by 5. So this is 24 by 5. Okay. So we have to find out what? How much cake does each one get? Right. So quantity of cake each one got is equal to get or got, whatever it is equal to what we have to do? Division, right? So 4 by 5 divided by 24. So what is the value of 4 by 5? 24 by 5 divided by 24. So in the place of divided by into, and this is 24 by 1. So now it will become 21 by 24. So now 24 into 1 by 5 into 24. This both will get cancelled 1 by 5. Okay. So what is the value of 1 by 5? You can write as 1 by 5 kg, or otherwise you divide. Okay. So 5 do not divide 1 because it is less than 5. So put 0 in the quotient and here also. Now this 1 became 10. So put the decimal point. 5 2s are 10. So otherwise 0.2 kg. Okay. Is how many times does the boy get the water for watering the plants? Okay. So again in the drum there is 2 10 liters. Okay. And each time he is taking 3.5 liters. So how many times? Okay. We have to find out it. Now for example we are saying in your bag there is 10 laddus. How many laddus are there in your bag? How many laddus are there in your bag? 10 laddus. So each time you are keeping your hand and you are taking 2 laddus. Every time you are taking 2 laddus. So in how many times the laddus will complete? 5 times, right? So that means division only, na? So here also same, division only will do. Okay. So we'll write the steps. First, capacity of drum. Capacity of drum. That means how it is holding. Okay, how much it is holding is 210 liters. Or quantity of water in the drum also you can write. Okay. So capacity of drum 210 liters. Okay. Or you can write quantity also, no problem. I am writing capacity. Okay. Next, capacity of bucket. Quantity of water in the bucket. You can write capacity of bucket. What is the capacity in the problem? 3.5 liters. So, number of buckets of water will get number of buckets of water. So, question, how many times does the boy get the water, right? Number of buckets of water the boy get. Does the boy get the or no? So the boy get is equal to 210 divided by 3.5. Okay. Again mixed fraction is here. So convert into fraction. Write denominator same. And now take again denominator into 3 plus numerator 1. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 by 2. So this is 7 by 2. So now the value of 3.5 became 7 by 2. So what is the half in 7 rupees? 3.5 rupees only, no? So that's what. So that implies 210 divided by 3.5 means 210 divided by, in the place of 3.5 we can write 7 by 2. So 210 division will becomes into and this fraction will get reverse. That means reciprocal. So 210 into 2 by 7. You know 7 table. 7 3s are 21. So 30s. So 30 into 2, 3 2s are 6. So 60. How many times? 60 times. Okay. So number of buckets of water the boy gets is equal to 60. Or number of times the boy gets water is equal to 60. Okay. So in this way we can solve the problems, we can solve the word problems in our exercise 2.1. Students, please like this video and share with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.